Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and I got to tell you, this channel's got all kinds of crazy stuff, authentic, non-authentic, and today I'm making jalapeno poppers and putting them inside a taco shell. These are flour taco shells. Look at that. Does that look good or what? Right? Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do these, and then I'll come back and we'll do a taste test. All right, well, first thing we got to do is get our jalapenos fixed up here. So I am going to cut the top off. You can touch your tongue to the top and see if they're hot. These have just a little bit of heat to them. And you want to cut them in half lengthwise. Take a spoon, scrape them out. Okay, that's the first step. We're going to fill these up with some cream cheese and cheese. Okay, let me prepare the other jalapenos and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my jalapenos halved and cleaned out, and I've got some cream cheese softened. And I'm not going to use all of this. I think I'm just going to use half of it. I can adjust if I need more. I think I only need about half. I was going to use my favorite Chihuahua cheese. I think I'm going to use this Mexican 4-cheese blend and mix that about half and half almost. And for flavor, I'm going to put a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic in there. And I'm also going to add some, these are red and green pepper flakes. Hatch green chili pepper flakes. Add some of those in there just to spice it up just a little bit more. Does that look like enough? Okay. All right, I'm going to get this mixed up. Okay, so I got my cream cheese and seasoning mixed up. So all you got to do now is just take a spoonful of it and start loading up your jalapenos. Okay, so I got my jalapenos stuffed with the cheese. You'll notice I didn't overstuff them. I tried to go a little bit level because when you cook cream cheese, it seems to burst out the top. So right now I'm going to wrap these in bacon. One piece of bacon for these. These are pretty big jalapenos. Okay, so one piece of bacon there, and I'm going to set them here. And then hey, the beautiful thing, most of the time I'll smoke these in one of my pellet grills, but today we're going to do it in the oven to show you, for one, you can do jalapeno poppers in the oven, but for two, it only takes like 20-25 minutes at 400 degrees. So let me get these wrapped up and we'll get them in the oven. There we are. I do have like a cooling rack over a cookie sheet to catch all the grease from the bacon. And you can cook them just like this. You can add any kind of seasoning you want. I'm going to actually add some Meat Church The Gospel all-purpose rub. Kind of gives it that barbecue-y feeling when you're actually eating these, even though I'm not doing these on a barbecue. We're doing these in the oven a lot faster. And if you don't have a pellet grill or don't want to get out on your propane grill, do them in your oven. So we're going to set these in the oven at 400 degrees and 20 to 25 minutes. So you probably noticed that I wasn't wearing any gloves or anything while I was handling the jalapenos. Not to worry. The best way to get the heat off your hands from the jalapenos is just take a little bit of olive oil and get it on your hands and rub it in really good. And then once you got them rubbed really good, then go wash them with soap and water, and the heat will be gone from your hands. Okay, not everybody has gloves. If you have gloves, wear them. Or if you have, if the heat from the jalapenos turn your hands red, be sure to cover them. But if you don't, and use some olive oil so you don't touch your eyes or anything else. The last minute or two while the poppers are cooking, I like to heat up my tortilla shells. These are like taco size flour tortillas. I normally make my tacos with corn tortillas, but since these are jalapeno poppers with bacon and cream cheese, I figured the flour ones will probably be best, more sturdy. Otherwise, I would fry the corn tortilla shells. So I'm going to get these cooked up, softened up. And I do like to get a little bit of char on these. That's a good thing. Adds flavor. All right, we are looking at 25 minutes. You want to start taking a look probably around 18 to see how the bacon is doing. Look at that. Really want the bacon to be crispy. Set that. Got our tortillas softened up. We got our jalapeno poppers. We're just going to start loading these up. Got some tomato and avocado I'm going to put inside of these. You can add whatever you want. You can even add more cheese. I thought about it and decided not to. You've got the cream cheese inside the popper. Okay, now I'm going to put some sour cream right on top. We'll do a taste test and wrap this up. There we go. I added some little bit of sour cream to these tacos. Man, look at that. These are jalapeno popper tacos using some flour tortilla shells, avocado, tomato. Let's take a bite. That was a big bite, getting down to the jalapeno popper. Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers inside of a flour tortilla, taco size. All right. All right, so there you have it. Something a little different. Tortilla Takeover. Tortilla Takeover. Thanks for checking this out, and I hope you make some jalapeno popper tacos. Have a great day.